Hi guys, welcome to the video. Now today I just wanted to show you what's new to ClickDesigns. Now I first promoted ClickDesigns, I think it's in February this year. Since February, myself and my team have used ClickDesigns every single day. Now this is probably one of, a handful of products I do use every day that was released into the JV Zoo or in Plus market. Now ClickDesigns is amazing. It really is. It's an amazing tool and it's constantly being updated. Now, as I said, we use it every day, myself and my team. Now, since we've started using ClickDesigns, I've saved over $1,400 every single month since we started using it. I started using it in February, so March, April, May, June, July, August, 6 months, nearly $9,000. So I've saved nearly $9,000 using ClickDesigns. I'm going to show you inside ClickDesigns in a moment so I can show you the templates that we use. And if you've been on my list for any length of time, you will have seen the templates that we've created in there and that I've used on my pages. So what I wanted to tell you about today is if you haven't purchased ClickDesigns, you need to look at this because, as I said, it is one of the best tools I've used. And I've also got a 50% discount on the front end. So ClickDesigns price has risen quite a lot since it was released, but I've got a 50% coupon on the front end. Now, if you've already purchased ClickDesigns and you want some of the upsells, I've also got coupons for those as well. Now, if you scroll down to this page, if you can see here the agency version, I've got a $50 coupon for that. So 50 agency saves you $50 on the agency. Click here, take you directly across to the agency page. Here, the design pages, I've got $20 off that. So if you click there, take it across to the design pages. The maximizer, I've got $50 off that. Click here, take it across to the maximizer. The professional, I've got $30 off that. And again, click here, take it across to professional. Now, in total, that's $150 saving throughout the funnel, plus 50% on the front end. So if you haven't picked up ClickDesigns, now is the time to do it because I have a huge bonus for this as well. I've got the intensive training, I've got the design promotions pack, and I've used this promotion pack. Now it says $3,500 gross. That was kind of a few months ago. I've done close to $15,000 now with ClickDesigns. So huge promotion. I'm giving you all that. I've got tons of agency tools, as you can see here. Lots and lots. Now I just want to get you down to the upgrade bonuses. Let's go down here. I've got the agency bundle. Now you can just purchase any upgrade and I will give you these upgrade bonuses. So I've got the agency bundle. So it will do you a full agency site, custom logo, set up the site on yours or our hosting. I've got 10 ad graphics, 10 banners. So that's a full custom design. I've also got the agency bonus too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spend an hour online with you and I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing with ClickDesigns, how I'm using it and how I can kind of help you get using it. And the third one is, this is huge, it really is. I'm going to give you all my bonuses from 2020, 2021, again, if you pick up one of the upgrades. So that upgrade, those 3 upgrade bonuses, you only need to purchase 1 upgrade and I will give you those. Okay, and I've got some extra bonuses as well. So huge bonus pack. So remember, if you're going to purchase those upgrades, please use the coupons because you're going to save money. If you haven't purchased ClickDesigns yet and you're going to purchase the front end, make sure that you use my coupon because you get 50% off. Now what I'm going to do is jump over to ClickDesigns. Let's go here to the main page. Now, as I said, I wanted to show you what's new. So if you come over to templates and scroll over here, you'll see marketing and thumbnails. These are 2 brand new additions. Now marketing, this is all social media, things like Fiverr, Pitch Deck, etc. You've got LinkedIn, you've got YouTube, Instagram, Google Ads, you've got Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook. So it's tons and tons of different graphics to use. And just like everything in ClickDesign, everything is editable, so you can change it to match your own brand, etc. So as you can see, Everything's here ready to go. Some really nice designs. And they've also got thumbnails. So these are all YouTube thumbnails, come in 2 different sizes. And as I said, as with ClickDesigns, everything comes in multiple templates. You've got lots and lots of templates to use. Okay, so it's an amazing piece of software. You've got everything in here, from graphics to logos, box shots, covers, sheets, devices, bundles, illustrations, annotations, backgrounds. You've got funnels, and you've got custom bundles as well. You've got your drive where you can store your designs, things like that. Now, I'll go across to my designs. I just want to show you, as I said, myself and my team been using this all the time. If you've been on any of my bonus pages, you will see the graphics we've designed. And this goes on and on. I've just created tons of graphics using this. Now, as I said, since we started using this, I have saved close to $1,400 every single month, on average, sometimes more, sometimes a little less. But if you haven't picked up ClickDesigns, or you've picked up the front end and you want some upgrades, check out my page, use those coupons and get it while you can, because as I said, it's just expanding all the time. And you know, if you want some great marketing graphics, this is the tool to use. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.